Great découverte. Simple, neat, good for value. Due to my request, this property let me choose which room is most desired to me. It has wide window with pleasant view. Pretty. Unfortunately, it was raining continuously at those days, so I felt quite cold staying in this room. But never mind, I know we in Southeast Asia don't have any insulated system to our home. At least, their water heater is perfect. High point to their staff. They're trying their best to help us. Especially Miss Chi, many thanks. Tips: instead of go to tourist area, which is almost 2 kilos away, I suggest you to go across the river and find some traditional yum food on the street. Will def recommend this hostel to anyone who'll go to Hue. So good, nice staff and good location. Good service, good. Good service, good. Exceptional. This place is clean with great facilities arrangement and cleanliness. The room is large and bright. On the first floor is a cafe and motorbike parking both day and night. It would be better if they have a minibar in the room, stronger and more hot water in the shower and better soundproof. Worth coming back, smile. Exceptional. The room we stayed in was very lovely and clean. The staff were very nice and helped to keep our luggages after we checked out so we could travel around the city. Great stay for business trips. I stayed here for a business trip in a venue away from the touristic part of town. The room was really spacious and clean, staff were extremely friendly and helpful. Do note that the first floor is a busy cafe though without a waiting area, and some people might not be comfortable with that. Also, I would have enjoyed my stay even more if the room had a fridge. Good place. The room is clean and quiet. The host is friendly and supportive. There is a coffee shop on the ground floor with reasonable price. It would be excellent if they install a fridge in each room. Excellent. The staff was wonderful and friendly. My stay was short, but comfy and quiet. Great découverte.